Listen, the chance of you dropping your ham on the floor while you're fucking driving increase if you take more ham with you. What you're getting at is that sandwich is the definition of a portable snack, right?
Wow. But I want fresh ham. I don't want. All
right. Well,
if you're a true peanut butter connoisseur, you will sit there and you will fucking know. My nigga, you're telling me you've never eaten a peanut butter sandwich?
I have never willingly put peanut butter and 2 slices of bread in my mouth. No.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? Why would you do that? You're just getting bread and shit stuck in your mouth. You have type of lubricant to like soften the fucking everything. Like that's a wild experience for me. I can't do that.
So you're telling me I'm a sociopath because I eat peanut butter between bread?
Yes.
You could suck my fucking ass. No. You're telling me you can't eat peanut butter on bread unless it has jelly?
Yeah. Why would you do that?
What do you mean?
Just like you're just getting shit stuck in your mouth.
No, you're not. That's why you have the orange juice on the side.
Okay, well you didn't say all that.
I said a cup of orange juice and a peanut butter sandwich.
Yeah, I just heard peanut butter sandwich. Either way, that's a little sus, but
that's not sus. That's a good sandwich.
There's better sandwiches than that.
Please name one.
A peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
That's okay. But see, the thing is, if you make
peanut butter.
If you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you could ruin it in an instant if the ratio is not correct.
You're ruining your whole life if you just make a peanut butter.
You can suck my fucking ass. You're telling me you can't eat that?
No.
Oh my fucking god. No. So you're... Bro.
That's just like... Imagining that in my head just disgusts me already.
Come on.
I'm just imagining two slices of bread with just a bunch of peanut butter in between.
It's not a bunch of peanut butter. There's a fucking ratio.
Yeah, okay. What are you ratioing it to?
Peanut butter to bread.
There's no way you can ratio that.
Yes, you can. If you have too much peanut butter. If you have too much peanut butter, then you just have peanut butter mouth.
You can't change the amount of bread, though. You can't change.
Right, but you can change.
Mouth anyway.
All right. So let me bust this down to you, stupid. So look,
you have peanut butter mouth regardless because there's nothing.
No, hear me out. All right, you got 2 pieces of bread. So if you put peanut butter on 1 piece of bread, that is a 2-to-1 ratio, right? You have 2 pieces of bread to 1 piece of bread to peanut butter, right? Now, if you
wait, hold on.
No,
Two pieces of bread to 1 piece of bread.
Yeah, like I put peanut butter on 1 piece of bread, so that is peanut butter to 2 pieces of bread. So 1 peanut butter worth of 1 piece of bread. So I've covered 1 piece of bread.
How do you measure a peanut butter?
No,
you're talking
like no, I'm saying like 1 piece of bread, 1 piece of bread with peanut butter on it, right? Like I've covered the piece of bread with peanut butter.
Yeah, but you need to measure the peanut butter somehow.
Yeah, that's one that's 1 butter stick of 1. Okay.
Carl, you sound dumb right now.
Okay, listen to me. Listen.
You said 1 peanut butter, like I can value.
Like you, okay? I have covered 1 piece of bread with peanut butter.
With how much peanut butter though?
Like enough to cover the piece of fucking bread.
How much is that?
However much you feel. This is your own ratio, dickhead.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, now
All
now
I'm
what?
saying is that with jelly you can ratio it because you have a visual comparison of how much peanut butter you have in comparison to the jelly.
Yeah, but the thing is,
with peanut butter,
jelly clumps up, so you never know exactly how much is there.
No, you know exactly how much because if you're a jelly person, you know your brand of jelly and you know how much it clumps up.
Oh my God, I just got my back blown out.
With peanut butter, you gotta wing it.
No, you don't. if you're a fucking idiot, you wing it.
All right. Well, I'm a.
If you're
idiot.
a true peanut butter connoisseur, you will sit there and you will fucking know.
If you're a true peanut butter connoisseur, you will value the importance of having jelly in between two.
I do value the
peanut butter.
importance, but you're telling me the only way to eat peanut butter is if it has jelly with it?
In between two pieces of bread, yes.
What? Alright, so next you're gonna tell me. Okay, do you cut your bread? Like, if you cut a sandwich, how do you cut it?
I don't cut my bread.
Oh, you don't cut it?
I'm not a sociopath. No. I'm just
So
kidding.
you're telling me
no,
if you make
no, I'm kidding.
you make a breakfast sandwich, you
I
don't
don't
cut
cut
that
it.
bitch?
Nope.
Now you're a sociopath.
Why? Explain. Please
What?
explain.
You can't just fucking make a fucking a breakfast sandwich, sausage, egg, cheese, bread. Now, whatever kind of bread you use, I mean, sometimes you gotta cut that shit.
Why?
What do you mean, why? You're telling me
Explain it.
you're on the go, you're eating your breakfast sandwich, and you're
If
you're
I'm on
holding
the
the
go, I'm
whole
not gonna
thing?
take the time to cut a sandwich.
Yeah, you're leaving for work. You're like, fuck, I gotta go to work. I just made this banging ass breakfast
I'm gonna put
sandwich.
that bitch in a fucking napkin wrap and call it a day.
And a napkin wrap and call it a day. So you're hold on.
Yep.
Let me understand you. So you're gonna take the time to make a hot and ready sandwich and put that bitch in a napkin?
Yep.
What kind of audacity do you? You don't wrap it in
Why
foil?
the fuck do I have to lose the cops again?
No. Oh my god damn. Chris Kyle just
Oh
got
my
me.
god. Oh my fucking god.
I lost
This
the
is
cops
getting
now.
out of hand.
No, just kill yourself. You'll lose the cops. I'm gonna run up and stab these motherfuckers. Hold on. I'm gonna die. Oh. Hold on. So you're telling me you make a sandwich. It's a hot and ready sandwich. And you're on the go.
Yeah,
You
if it's a hot and ready sandwich, I'm not gonna go on the go and then just have it burn my fucking lap.
Okay, listen to me, jackass. So you won't put it in like some foil. Melt the cheese a little bit.
I'll put it in whatever's available. It doesn't matter if it's in cheese or fucking. I'll wrap it in another fucking sandwich if I have to. The wrapping is not important. We're talking about cutting bread here.
I'm just trying to understand what kind of man you are. There's lots of different ways to, make a sandwich. So, I'm just trying to understand the type of man you are.
I'm a man who doesn't cut his bread.
So you don't cut your bread.
Nope.
So you got yourself a hefty sandwich. You won't cut that bitch?
Yep. Nope.
Wow.
Why? Why do you feel the need to cut it?
So you go to Subway, you tell them not to cut it?
You're not answering my question.
What?
Why do you feel the need to cut it?
You got yourself a hefty
riddle me
fucking
this.
sandwich.
You're avoiding my question right now.
I'm telling you, I'm answering your fucking question. You got yourself a hefty sandwich.
All right.
You got yourself a big
Okay.
bitch. You got to two-hand that motherfucker.
Yeah.
But what happens if I can't two-hand it? I know I'm in a situation where I can't two-hand it. I'm like, damn, I should have cut
You're
it.
fucked. Then
So
fucked.
you're telling me I'm
Don't
driving
ever
and
put yourself
eating?
in a- Listen. Don't ever put yourself in a situation where you can't two-hand a sandwich. all
No,
right?
no.
That's fucked up.
What do you mean?
You're just. What do you mean? What do I mean? You're
Okay,
playing
so-
with your own emotions at that point.
So we both drive manual cars. So you're telling me you're getting in your car with a big bitch?
Yeah. I'm getting in my car with a sandwich big enough that I can shift with. All right. That's what my point is. Don't ever put yourself in a situation where you have to two-hand that bitch. All right.
So you're telling me. Let's say you go in the house. You say, all right.
Listen, what you're getting at is that sandwich is the definition of a portable snack, right? Why would you have a portable snack
I
when you
wouldn't.
have a
I
two-hand?
wouldn't say a sandwich is a portable snack.
Okay, then why are you? What are you saying you have to two-hand it for?
I'm saying, yeah, like it's a big bitch. Let's say I got myself a thick
Okay.
sandwich.
Then you take your time to sit down and eat it.
What happens if I don't have that time?
Then it's a portable snack.
That's not a portable snack. A portable snack is fruit snacks you put in a fucking baggie.
A portable snack is a snack that you take portably.
So you're telling me if I make a whole, you're telling me if I make a whole fucking ham and I take it in my car, it's a portable ham?
Why are you taking ham into your car?
I'm just going off what you're saying here.
That's just gonna fucking stink.
No, not if it's a good ham, good old Christmas honey ham. Tell me honey ham's gonna stink. What kind of honey ham are you making?
Well, okay, but at that point I would make a ham sandwich.
No, I'm talking about I made a whole ham.
No, because why would you ever make a whole ham and then go somewhere with it?
I gotta go.
That's just stupid.
I gotta go. I'm on the move.
If you know you gotta go, why would you make a whole ham?
I made it beforehand, and now I gotta go.
Alright, well then you wrap it and save it for later. Don't fucking take it with you.
No,
That's stupid.
I know what happens if I want the ham now, though.
Then you just make a ham sandwich.
Why? But I want fresh ham. I don't want that processed trash. I want fresh honey ham.
Take a couple pieces with you. Don't take the whole fucking ham.
But what happens if I want more on the way?
Take as much as you think you're gonna need. You're telling me
you can't gauge hunger.
Okay, you're telling me you're gonna finish a whole ham in the car?
You never know.
Whole
maybe.
Ham?
Maybe.
No, that's ridiculous.
So you're telling I can't. Can you gauge your hunger? Can you say, damn, I should only take half this ham?
but I'm not.
What happens if I drop it on the floor while I'm driving? Oh fuck!
You see what you fucking do here?
What happens? What happens if I'm fucking driving? I drop my sandwich. Then what? Now I'm shit out of luck.
The chances of you dropping your ham on the floor while you're fucking driving increase if you take more ham with you.
Not if I put it in a little baggie with me and I pack it nicely.
Okay, if you take a little bit with you, you can throw that bitch in the cup holder, alright?
I'm not putting it in the cup holder, but what about my drink? I only got 2.
You have more than one cup holder?
I only have 2 cup holders.
What?
No, that's a lie. I have 4, but...
Okay. You have enough space to put 3 hams in 3 cup holders and then have
I can't fit a whole ham in my cup holder. What I'm saying is...
Yeah, because you can't take a whole ham with you.
Okay. You can't take a whole ham with you. I can just sit it on the seat, and some stuff. But what I'm saying,
you're telling me you're gonna put a whole ham on your seats and then just fuck your seats up?
No, I'm saying I'm put a whole ham in a fucking a fucking thing. Put my ham in.
What's a fucking thing?
A pan. Yeah, there you go, a pan.
So you're telling me you rushed to get a ham out the house and you're gonna take the time to find a pan in your house and then put
I'm just gonna take the fucking pan that I cooked it in.
If you're rushing enough that you're gonna take the whole ham with you, that's a lot of work, bro.
I'm gonna take that bitch out the oven and carry it out to the car.
But you gotta get a pan first.
No, I cooked it in a pan, jackass. What do you just cook your ham on foil?
God. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work to have some fucking ham that you can just cut a few pieces off. I'm just saying.
I mean, but I can't gauge my hunger. I don't know how long I'm gonna be gone, but I really want this.
So
ham.
You're gonna sit there. You're gonna sit there whether you're starving or not. You're gonna sit there, look at the whole ham, and be like, I might be able to eat this.
No, I'm not gonna say I might be able to eat this whole ham. I'm gonna say I don't know how hungry I'm gonna be while I'm out today. I don't know how long I'm gonna be gone. So I take the whole ham.
Why would you take the whole ham?
Because
I don't know how long you're gonna be gone. That ham's gonna be sitting in your car all day for all I know. And then what? And then you're gonna come back and your car's gonna smell like shit.
Or it's gonna smell like honey glazed ham.
No, because it's ham. Once the honey glaze passes, it's gonna smell like ham.
It's not like it's sitting in my car for 2 fucking months.
It's gonna sit in your car in the sun all day.
Okay, so what you're telling me is, like, okay, so the ham is in the sun, right? Like the sun is baking the ham throughout the day, right? So it's keeping my ham warm, right?
It's still gonna smell like ham.
Right. You're telling me you don't like the smell of ham?
No, I don't. Not in my car.
So you're telling me your mom gets to your car, she smells like ham, she's been working in the deli all day, you're like, Mom, get the fuck out?
Yeah. Why is this guy following me? Oh shit! Hold on. Hold on. I got work to do.
I hope he kills you. So you're telling me you're telling your mom
You
to get
fucking
the fuck
dumbass. Yep. Don't come in my car smelling like ham.
out. You're kicking mom out.
Yep.
Wow. Wow. That's sick.
You know what's sick? Having your car smell like ham. That's sick.
Not if I roll with the window. All right, now I roll with the windows down. Now what? Now my car doesn't smell like ham.
Now the smell's gonna stay in your car for a month plus. Now you got ham car for a month.
Oh, you're so fucking lucky. I would have slit your throat right here. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. And we'll be back with this debate later.